Thank you for tuning in to this video. Today I'll be teaching you how to change display name in Zoho Mail. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we publish more videos. Don't forget to like the video. It lets YouTube know that content like ours is valuable to others. So let's get started. The display name in the Send Email As section for each from email address or email alias external from address is how your name appears on the outgoing email sent using that particular email address. So to change the display name, you log into your Zoho Mail, then select Settings and click here. If you have multiple email address, click the particular email address for which the display name should be changed. In the display name text box, provide the preferred display name. You can also add reply to email address before authenticating a from email address. After that, click Update to save the changes. You may have to provide your external SMTP password in case you're updating the display name for an external from address. And that's how simple it is to change your display name in Zoho Mail. But how do you put signatures in your Zoho Mail? This video will help you out.